Are you guilty of putting off that roof repair? Has your roof seen better days? We understand how difficult and frustrating it can be to find an honest and reliable roofer. You want the job done right, and so your search ends up being delayed again and again. But delaying that roof repair issue will only lead to further problems, which will not only put your wallet in danger, but your family's safety too. At Repairs Perth WA, we have over 20 years of experience in repairing and adding years to the lifespan of roofs all across Perth. What makes us different from most is that we provide you with photo and video evidence on our initial free inspection, so that you can trust our recommendations. After that, we'll send you a quote and resolve the issue ASAP, usually within 1 to 2 days. And if there's something we didn't see on the original quote, we'll take care of it at no extra cost. At Repairs Perth WA, we truly do whatever it takes to get the job done right the first time. There's a reason why we're the highest rated roofer in Perth. So still delaying that roof repair? Give us a call today on 0405 235 790 or contact us on our website at roofrepairsperthwa.com.au.